Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a raised dog bowl. Does it say there? It just says made in China. I'll show you what this is here. It's got 3 dog bowls in it here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll be able to, we have the nice wooden view here. And we have our installation guide here. And then we have all the different pieces and parts. So we're gonna put this thing together here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Almost there. This is what it looks like. And here we go with the bowls. So 1 bowl there for a big tall dog. 1 bowl here for a not as tall dog. And 1 here for the littlest dog. How cool is that? Nice little stand. It's super sturdy. It's not going anywhere when you set it up. So there you go. So if you want to feed your dog 3 different levels, you got 3 different bowls. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.